We are what we repeatedly do. That's a quote from Aristotle. My son's been reading a lot of the Greek classics, Greek and Roman classics, and that's one of the things that really stuck out to me, when we were going through this. As the new year approaches, it's natural to set resolutions, right? But here's the truth. Most people don't stick with them. And why? It's not because it's something that you do once. It's something that you have to do consistently. In the words of Phil Jones, what next happens next is up to you. At ABCI, we help aviation sales and marketing professionals build the habits that turn resolutions into results. Another great quote that we truly believe is that no one succeeds alone. Very successful people surround themselves with people who have the skills to support their goals and objectives. Our marketing lab provides the structure and accountability and tools, skills, and processes to help you succeed. We have monthly workshops that are actionable insights tailored to your goals. We provide recordings, workbooks, and customize our recommendations during your one-on-one office hours and group office hours to make sure that these things apply to you. So that's 12 different topics like getting better at trade shows, improving your SEO, other things that are things that everyone intends to do, but nobody can improve everything at the same time. So we tackle one key subject a month. So by the end of the year, you've improved your business in 12 different ways. We're also doing expanded group office hours. These are designed to fit your schedule, now including East Coast hours, West Coast hours, and even Asia Pacific times that are also convenient for the North American night owl, who may be up in the middle of the night. We also have weekly Wins Wednesdays and Follow Fridays. These are routines that celebrate our successes and foster engagement among our team members. So we're hard at work in our office preparing these binders for our US clients. We send these out in the mail, and these have tabs in them to keep track of your metrics and also keep track of all of the events and other resources that are available to you. And of course, we use our Basecamp project management software as well. So this is online and physical, any way that we can support our clients and anything that we can do to help you succeed is really what we're in the business of doing. So here's the thing. Our rates go up on Wednesday, January 1st. Our prices for software and labor and postage and pretty much everything have gone up quite a bit in the last few years, and we have put off too long, probably, making the decision to raise our rates. We had to draw the line in the sand somewhere, and we decided January 1st is the time to do that. So this means that you only have today and tomorrow to make a decision that is going to save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So by joining now, you lock in 2024 pricing and set yourself up for a successful 2025. And honestly, most of our clients stay with us for many years. So they continue that spiral of success for as long as they're with us. So if you've been thinking about leveling up your marketing or your personal branding, the best time to start is 10 years ago. But the second best time to start is right now. So let me ask you, what's keeping you from starting today? You can lock in your prices and you can set appointments for whenever is convenient for you during the new year. But let's make 2025 the year that you don't just set goals, the year that you crush them. Join the Marketing Lab today.